Search for a newborn that is now more urgent than ever. More than 200 officers scouring allotments in Brighton after the baby's parents were arrested nearby. Police aware every second may count.
They have been further arrested on suspicion of gross negligence manslaughter and that they remain in custody at police stations in Sussex. The baby was not with them and we have not found the baby as yet.
How hopeful are you that the baby is still alive, given the time frame you're working against here?
As time progresses, as the weather is closing tonight, as it was last night, in terms of the coldness and the impact that would have on a baby, clearly the risk is getting higher, and we have to be open to the fact that this may not end in the way we would like, but we need to remain hopeful.
Constance Martin and Mark Gordon have been on the run since January, disappearing with their baby soon after it was born, sleeping rough to evade police and keeping their faces covered on CCTV. But last night they were seen in this shot by a member of the public who called 999. Within minutes, they were arrested.
What did you see last night?
So about 15 police cars just whiz up the road, and a helicopter, loads of sirens. They were just continuous, and it was one every minute, and it was just really weird. And I think after the fifth one, we were what's going on?
But despite the huge police presence, they found no sign of where the couple were staying.
Detectives have started questioning the couple, but say they've gained no further information from that on where their baby may be. So for now, the search continues here, but police also haven't ruled out the possibility the couple may have handed their child to somebody else.
Even the child's gender hasn't been divulged by the parents, and it's yet to receive any medical attention.
This is paramount because this is a child who is non-mobile, really vulnerable, would need their dependents to feed them, to care for them. And if they don't have their primary parents around, then that is a big concern.
And the more time that passes, the more concerns grow, as police consider widening their search across the South Downs. Ivor Bennett, Sky